Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY, back for today's Just One Craft Project video. Today we're going to use some tumbling tower blocks, some florals, and this Jingle Bell ornament from Dollar Tree to make a really cute joy shelf sitter or centerpiece. So I am using the brown tumbling tower blocks that come in the box because we're going to be painting these. I am gluing together 13 sets of 2. So I'm just putting a little bit of glue in the middle, kind of like a sandwich cookie, and we're going to set these aside to dry. Then once those are all dry, we're going to paint these with my red Waverly chalk paint with the name of Crimson. I'm going to go around and just paint one side of each set, and then as that dries, we'll paint the other sides of the blocks. Next, taking this piece of scrap wood, I believe it's about 4 inches by about 19. You could definitely use the back side of a sign from Dollar Tree as well, or a couple of plaques glued together. I'm just going to give this a base coat of black. Now that my sets of blocks are dry from the paint, I am going to start gluing these sets together to make the letter J. I'm going to make a little square with the 4 sets in the middle there, and then the letter Y. And you can see I'm going to spell the word joy. However, that middle set is not going to be the O. It's going to be the place where our ornament, our bell ornament, is going to sit in place of the O. So just glue your sets of blocks together to make your letters or your shapes, and then set those aside to dry. Once that wood glue has dried and our letters are stuck together, I'm going to start with the square. I did make a little mark on my board where the center was, and we're going to glue this square of blocks right there in the center. Like I said, this is where our bell ornament is going to sit to be the O for the word joy. Then just spacing out the J and the Y where I want them, just putting a little bit of hot glue on the bottom and standing those letters up. Once we have our word joy in place, the last thing I'm going to do is just take some pieces of some various Christmas florals that I have, and we're going to glue those down on either side of our word just to fill out this decoration and make it complete. And here's our finished project. I love how this turned out with just some tumbling tower blocks, the bell ornament, and some florals. Let me know in the comments what you think of this project, and here are some other videos you can watch. Until next time, take care.